Good morning or afternoon, whatever it is where you're at. We are in sunny Southport, Bolivia, actually, North Carolina. Not too far from Southport. We got a call to come down here and take a look at a roof. I didn't even get up on the roof yet, and I was like, Paul, why is that? What's wrong with that roof? Let's go see what's wrong with it. From the ground, it kind of looked funny, and I couldn't figure out quite why. Maybe you can tell me. Any roofers out there? What's wrong with this roof? Are you kidding me? What in the world and who in the hell put the shingles on this roof? Lord have mercy. I mean, I'm just totally flabbergasted about this. This is somebody who didn't care how they put these shingles up, nor did they know how to put shingles up. I mean, they got shingles coming this way and then started them back here running this way. And this is absolutely silly. The lines don't line up with anything. Yeah, wow, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. The whole roof is like that too. And them two lines right together. Oh, it looks like they used a cap shingle. It almost looks like a cap, like it should be a cap. This is strange. Look at that. I haven't been up on the top yet, so let's go see what the top looks like. This is a little bit, it started from all kinds of ways. This is definitely amateur. The funny thing is, this is a brand spanking new development. All these houses are fairly new. I didn't see anything like that on that roof or the roof next door, but that house next door over there, I did see some of the same kind of stuff. And this ain't nothing. I mean, this, like I say, a brand spanking new development. Wait till we look at the top now that I'm looking at it. Look at that. Look, brand spanking new development. So, like I say always, a new house does not necessarily mean a good house. This is absolutely insanity. Let's go up there and take a better look at this stupidness. All I can say is, from what I see already, there was no professionals on this job whatsoever. Yep. Apparently didn't run lines. Look here how they just overlapped. Just ran this one here, overlapped that one, that one. This is actually a piece that they put in the middle trying to figure out how to get their lines to work. That is crazy. Look at that, Paul. They put a little piece in the middle here. And that is craziness. The whole roof's done like that. You're absolutely not gonna believe it. I've never seen quite anything as bad as that. Whoever put this roof on, 100% amateurs, and this is brand new. Don't ask me what's going on. I got a tab broken here, so that's one shingle. Somebody come up here and did some kind of repair, and they made a mess of it. I'm not sure if the shingles are sliding or if they nailed them that way, but one shingle. Let me look real quick. We definitely need the caulking gun. 2, 3 shingles. Huh? Okay. You can get away with that. We got it. Yep. Talk about some crooked lines. Look at that. They didn't line up anything. So strange how people, kind of stuff people do. Look at this crap. They slid shingles into underneath shingles because they were coming so far off, Paul. Lord have mercy. They slid a shingle up underneath that. I mean, really, we had a missing shingle here. Tab a piece. Yeah, we're going to take that out and fix that. Missing tab here, which we're going to replace. Missing a couple tabs down here on this other side, which we're also going to replace. New tab in here, sealing it down. Put slabs in over here. Looks like there's been some work here before. Somebody's been on this roof and put shingles in here or something. But we're gonna go ahead and fix that and that piece down there. They never popped one single line on this whole roof, Paul. It's terrible. Watch the line. Watch the line on this roof. Look at that. I hope you can see what I'm seeing in this camera. This is absolute insanity. None of them shingles are in the right place. Unbelievable. There's no 5-inch line down through this roof. Should be every 5 or 10, 20, 30, 40 after you start the first 12-inch one on the bottom. But they didn't pop any lines on this roof. It's pretty sad how crooked it is. Pretty sad. Yeah, they didn't pop lines for any side. Isn't that crazy? I mean, no lines whatsoever. Look at that. It's a snake. Strange, strange stuff right here. Their lines are terrible. Their lines are terrible. Jeez, crow. You are fired.